Hey guys, it's me again at night time. Yep. Oh, what is going on in the background, dude? I am trying to do an intro. Yeah. Do you mind if I steal your candy? Not with me. Thank you. Yay, candy! Anyway, as I was saying, today I am doing Halloween trick or treat. Yay! Table of candy. Ha 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 ha! Also, I have a little friend over here. Alright, let me go and just try and find her if I can. I'm just gonna yell out, say hi to YT. Hi. You're in the vid, mate. You're in the vid. Anyway, let's not get distracted. We gotta do this. Sometimes I mess up my sentences. Like sometimes I go like that. Yeah, well, thank you. You actually went yes. You nodded your head. Don't smile at me. I need some more candy, homeless woman. Knock, 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 knock. No one's home. But no! Ah! I got melted! Who gets melted? You're just staring out the window. Alright, let's go. Hello? Okay, so we have to leave the game because that's not what keep me out. Chuck. So if I just type up eggs, Maria, just click Concho 91, Concho 91. Alright. Anyway. Yeah, boy, we got Luigi's Mansion music. By the way, I'll show you that it's not my Spotify. Ooh. Hello? Thank you for your Mars bars. Give me it! I want my chocolate! Oh. No, my chocolate. Ah, so you're gone. Hey! I don't want to be a bumblebee! No! Steal your candy. So much candy! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so fat. I'll just keep on ringing the bell and give them some free candy. We got so much Luigi's Mansion music in this game, bros. Hold up to 100 kilometers. How are you supposed to get 50? You're supposed to hold it and it goes in your bag. Limit 100. I'm just doing this for fun. I am the richest player because look at that. Imagine if you're the witch and give you free Robux. So if you were a noob, you get free Robux. That means everybody in Jailbreak would leave. And they go to the other server. And adds Animo is like, who made that game? Knock! Who are you, the dad that was just in the pool? Hello? Stop shaking. I am trying to grab some candy here. Give me many pieces. He's like, oh my god. Like, I saw some witches turn you into that thing, so yeah. Ooh, I never leave a little bit candy. Knock, knock! I'm just gonna keep spamming my mouse until the lights open. You may be here for an hour, guys. So I'm gonna end this soon. Alright, we can't get any more candies. Anyway, this was a short video, so yep. Anyways, I'm gonna end it right here. So yep. Goodbye everybody, have a nice day. Don't forget to join my group on my profile. I'll show you my profile. So you know my new username if you want to join. It is Noobscare. Yep. So goodbye.